Hello everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Risang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is the growth of pharmaceutical companies in India. In past few years, there is a huge growth in Indian pharmaceutical companies. The income of Indian pharmaceutical companies is increasing year by year, and it was 15.53 US billion dollars in 2015, and it increases up to 24.44 US billion dollars at the end of 2021. So we can see that how fastly the Indian pharmaceutical companies are growing in last few years, and it is very amazing and beneficial for the economy of India. So India is considered as a pharmacy of a world because India is a larger manufacturer of a medicine across the globe. In India, there are near about 3,000 pharmaceutical industries and near about 10,500 manufacturer plants. India is the leading manufacturer of the generic drug across the globe. India holds the 20% share worldwide. That is, India fulfill the 20% demand of the generic drug across the world. India also fulfill the 62% demand of the vaccine in worldwide. That is, this is a huge number. That is, world is depend on India for the 60% of the production of the vaccine. So we can imagine that how other countries are depend on India for the production of the vaccine. The India is a powerhouse in a production of a vaccine. India ranked 3 in the production of a generic drug. India export majority of their drugs to the United States of America, European countries and African countries. The India fulfill the 40% demand of generic drugs of the United States of America and 25% demand of generic drugs of the United Kingdom. From these stats, we can say that how USA and United Kingdoms are depend on India for the production of a generic drug. That's why we call India as a pharmacy of a world. The cost of manufacturing of a drug in India is 33% less as compared to the USA. That's why USA is highly depend on India for the production and supply of the generic drugs. Many countries have their manufacturing plants in India. USA has their 20% of drugs manufacturing plants in India. Then as India ranked third in the production of the drug, still India have less value of their drugs. India ranked 30 in case of a value of a drug because India mostly produces the generic drug and the generic drugs are the cheapest. So this is the main reason why we do not get that much value of our drugs. The Indian government allow 100% FDI for the new registered company and 75% FDI for the already existing company. Means any new company when registered in India and open in India, the governments of India allow the 100% foreign direct investment in that company, and in case of the already existing company, the 75% foreign investors can invest in Indian pharmaceutical companies. No matter India is third in the production of the generic drugs, but still India is depend majorly for their active pharmaceutical ingredients on China. So India import near about 80% of the active pharmaceutical ingredients from the China. So to solve this problem and to produce the active pharmaceutical ingredients in India, the government of India has give 1 lakh crore rupees to the Indian pharmaceutical companies so that the Indian pharmaceutical companies can produce the active pharmaceutical companies in India. The government of India also launched the Pharma Vision 2020 so that India can lead the manufacturing and end-to-end production of the drug across the globe. So that's all about the growth of the Indian pharmaceutical companies in last few years. Thank you.